Hello friends, welcome to Abhinami's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make an egg omelette. It's very simple. Ingredients: 2 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup chopped onions, 1 cup chopped chilies. Method: first I take a bowl, break the eggs into the bowl, add salt, add red chilli powder, add chopped onions, and last one, add chilies. It mixes very softly. Now switch on the stove. It wait. Pan on the stove. 2 tablespoons of oil. It's waiting. Heated pan. Pour the mixture on the pan. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Flip the omelette. Stove off. Take an omelette, serving a plate. Sprinkle the pepper. Hi guys. Wow, yummy. The fluffy omelette is ready.